Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels.
Happy Memorial Day from Indio, California. Hey, we're on our way out and we realized, we didn't do a room tour. So we're going to do a room tour of World Mark by Wyndham in Indio, California. This will be room 7401, which is a Wyndham, Club Wyndham room. They have separate buildings here. That's kind of funny. So buildings 6, 7, and 8 are the Club Wyndham buildings. The rest of the buildings are World Mark. So if you're Club Wyndham and you come in here, you're going to be in building 6, 7, or 8. And it's just points for points. If you want to stay in the other buildings, you have to do an exchange into Wyndham, which is possible because this place does sell out, because Wyndham only has, if I counted right, about 120 rooms for Club Wyndham people. So let's take a quick view. This is our view from just outside our room, and we're right on a golf course, as you can see.
In the middle of the desert.
In the middle of the desert. And this is what they call Terra Lago Golf Course, which is right next door to the property. And we're getting ready here to do the room tour, but Joni said, let's make sure we show people what it looks like at the golf course. And you can see the tennis court. We did do a resort tour, so you'll check that. Now just keep in mind, we're checking out today, so the room is not immaculate like it normally is when you get here.
Lived-in look.
It's got a kind of a lived-in look. Actually, most things are out.
Yeah,
so
we cleaned it up, but
here we go.
we cleaned it all up.
Best we could. Or the best we were willing.
So we are in 7401. This is a 2-bedroom. We actually initially had a 1-bedroom, and they gave us a upgrade, and we're like,
we asked for an upgrade. They said yes.
We didn't need an upgrade because it's the 2 of us, and so our suitcases had their own room. We didn't need it, but it made the room was bigger, so it's nice. Okay, so once you walk in, here is the dining room. Good sized table. Very open area. Very open area. And then you come into the kitchen, and then the island here. First off, we're going to go into the 2nd bedroom, which has 2 twin beds. It's good size. And as I always like to show, they have outlets right here, regular outlets here. So they do have, I think it's, just regular outlets on the sides. So that's always a good thing. We need that a little bit better. Good dresser drawers, light, and the closet's fairly decent. And the dresser drawers are always, I always like the dresser drawers, they're always good size. And then you come to the bathroom once again, excuse it being sloppy because we did just check out with the towels. So you do have this is the 2nd bathroom.
Main bathroom.
Main bathroom.
Not the master room.
Yeah. Drawers and things like that. They do provide you the towels. And in here, that's where the beach towels were. They do provide you with a hair dryer. And they provide you with hand soap and body lotion. And in the shower, good size shower. It's a tub shower. And just basic. And they do provide you with separate shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in its roots. And I've used it before, so it's not that bad. It's pretty good. So it's not a conditioner combination, so it is individual. And they do fill that up, so that's a good thing. So if you need to bring your own, you're trying to go light, you don't need to necessarily bring your own. You can use theirs. So yeah, the shower is good sized bathroom. And then it's a kitchen. And a good sized pantry. We had this thing full. We come here, we drive, so we bring our own food. We stock up for the 4 or 5 days with our snacks, foods, and we bring food to cook, which is nice. That's the purpose of having one of these timeshares, is that you can have your own, you can cook. We make our own breakfast. We make breakfast in the mornings, and we have lunch, and we may go out once in a while for dinner, but for the most part, we bring our own food because they do provide you with everything to cook with. So the coffee pot is a ground We don't drink coffee, so, but that's a ground sugar. And then we, you know, my little salt and pepper, I already took it. And of course, their cups. And those are what you take if you want to go to the pool, bring one of those. Microwave. Stove, they provide you with the toaster and all of that stuff. Pretty good. Silverware. Said all the cooking utensils you need to cook, bake. So you can provide your own. You buy the food and they will supply everything. And then they do supply you with dish soap.
There was a Spudge Mommy I took.
It was a Spudge Mommy, but we took it. Said all the things you need. And then the dishwasher and the refrigerator. Ooh, see, we brought this. Gotta take that with us. Sorry. So the freezer in this one, this is an old, I don't know if it's an older unit or whatever, but it doesn't have an ice maker, so that was
Kind of a bummer.
a bummer. So
Pina coladas this time.
no pina coladas. So they do provide you with a canister. So if you want to make your own drinks, we bring those to the pool. Works out very nice. And then let's go in here. They have a washer dryer, and they do provide you with the laundry soap. If you need more, you can call the front desk and they'll get you some. And it's a small one, but it's okay. Those, make sure you do smaller loads. Don't overload it, but it's better than, like I always say, I do not like the 2-in-1 combos. Those do not work well. These are just right. So, but they are small, but that's okay.
And we dried the towels every night in here.
We dried the towels every night after the pool. And then this is the utility closet. It's a fire hydrant. Your fire extinguisher. Your sweepers and broom and mop. An iron board and an iron. And then as far as the turn, that is the Murphy bed. If you wanna.
Did you get all this already?
No.
Get this?
And then this is the living room area. So the couch
Does not fold out.
does not fold out.
Because of the Murphy bed.
Oh, because it does not have a fold out couch because of the Murphy bed. But the couches, you know, they're not always very comfortable. They're not really very comfortable. And this is
Murphy
the
bed?
Murphy bed.
Open the doors. And you just easily pull down. We used it just to crash on to watch TV.
Yep.
Because the TV turns.
Yeah,
That's the Murphy bed.
So this fits how many technically people?
Technically, you can get 6 people in here. 2 on here, 2 in the master bedroom, and 2 in the
So, yeah,
second
for
bedroom.
6 because it's a 2-bedroom. Yep.
And if you really wanted 7, somebody could sleep on the couch.
On the couch, but
don't
that does
tell
not
them
fold out. And then that.
You get the TV, yeah. Big TV, and what's nice is they have a stereo. Don't usually see this in places. I like this. If we had brought a cable, a USB cable from our phones, could have been playing music through it, which would have been
And then
nice.
you brought your HDMI cable. We could have streamed off of our laptop. So
Yep.
we did, but we didn't bring the right one.
Yep. Keep going.
And then this is the master bed. Sorry for the bed being missed, but it's sleepable. Good size. The view. End table. Same thing. It has the plugs on the side, which is very good. Helpful. Good size dresser drawers. So there's TVs, 3 TVs technically. And this is a good size closet. And I did not see, did I have a safe?
I did not see a
No safe here. We did not notice a safe. So did not have a safe. And like I said, plugs on the side there. Good size. And then the bathroom, excuse the mess of the towels. This is the master bath. Same thing, shampoo, conditioner. And same thing, this one has a makeup mirror.
And it has a hairdryer.
And a hairdryer. So do we.
On the bottom.
Yeah, the other one had a hairdryer too. I just wasn't sure. Sometimes the 2 bedrooms don't always have 2 hairdryers. And then Is that yours or is that theirs?
That was theirs.
Okay.
They
Alright, don't
locked
mind
it
me.
in. Gotta get the patio.
And then come outside. So this is what we like. It's always very nice. It's nice patio. Now back in the old days, 10 years ago, every unit had a barbecue grill on the here, but they took those out. That was after COVID. They took everything out. So.
But there's plenty of grills on the.
But yeah, but as you can see, there's grills everywhere. Every time you come out of an area, there's a set of grills. And then over in the activity area, there's like 12 grills all side by side. There's grills there. There's some grills over there. So you got plenty. Coming with your family and you want to do burgers and dogs. Plenty of grills for you to do. This is our view for this weekend. Nice. Got the little pond. Let's see the ducks and the geese. And over there is the adult hot tub. And then here's a set of grills. So this is we sat out here for breakfast and we sat out here when we had our dinner. So it was very nice. And it's Palm Springs, so yes, it's hot, but it's not really hot. We enjoyed it. And they have a playground right there. They have another one down the other side. And then this is the secondary pool over there. That's a nice one, and they got a hot tub back there. And if you can see it, there's a splash pad right there with all the kids. That was fun. The kids, and then the splash pad, and then there's a little kiddie pool. You can't see it quite well. And then the main pool right there. Lots of chairs.
You'll see all that in the real resort tour.
He did a resort tour, so make sure you check out our resort tour to see what all this has, amenities. It's very nice. We come here every year, at least once a year.
In May.
In May, or either Labor Day, but usually this is May.
Here's the thing. If you come in May, it's only 100 out. Come in September, early September,
150.
110, 150. And there is a difference between 100 and 150.
That's a fact. And it wasn't as windy this time. If you come here before, and it was these palm trees were rocking.
It ain't been the windiest.
Hasn't been windy. It's been fairly
nice.
Mild temperature here, which is good.
Yeah, it was 98. It was 98 most of the weekend, and very light breeze.
And we went to the casino one day, and we went out to dinner. So there's a nice area to go grocery shopping. There's a Winco, go grocery shopping. There's a shopping center. So there's lots of stuff to see and do here. And we enjoy it. Hope you like this room tour.
Oh, got it on us.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that.
And you can't see me because I'm a shorty short. Shorty short. Shorty short.
Okay, everybody, this is Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Jones Travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, give us some thumbs ups, let us know what you think, and check out our other videos, the resort tour, and all of our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.